The Enrollment File report displays the content of the New York State Enrollment File. This report can be used to view all service dates on the New York State Enrollment File, the type of encounter, as well as the Medicaid eligibility and HML submission status related to the patient and date of service. The Enrollment File report has a number of columns. First is the SIN column, which displays the patient's SIN or Medicaid ID. Then there's the first name and last name columns, which display the patient's name. The date of service column refers to the date that applies to the enrollment file segment. This date will always be the first of the month. By default, this will be filtered to the current month, though you can always change the filter to display whatever date range is required for your analysis. The provider column shows the provider or care management agency to which the patient is assigned. The encounter type column displays the type of encounter associated with the date of service, O for outreach or E for enrolled services. The Medicaid eligibility on date of service column displays a Y if the patient was eligible for Medicaid on the date of service, and N if the patient was not. The HML submitted column displays a Y if the patient's HML factors have been submitted for the date of service, and N if HML factors have not been submitted for the date of service. NA will be displayed for dates of service tied to outreach claims and for service dates prior to January 1st, 2016. The earliest encounter date triggering billing column shows the actual service date on which a billable activity took place. If more than one billable activity took place in a month, the earliest activity is displayed. If no billable activities have occurred in a given month, or have not yet been reported to BTQ, then the column will be blank. The billable amount is the estimated amount billable for the claim. Note that this column being populated does not indicate that a claim has actually been billed. Additionally, there's a billed filter at the top of the report. Choose All to view all service dates, whether billed or not billed. Choose Billed to view claims that have been billed, or choose Not Billed to view just claims that have not been billed. Like other reports in the BTQ Health Home portal, you can sort by clicking the column name and filter using the text, date, or drop-down filters under the column headers.